Hey guys, it's Fernando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip coming from the beautiful city of Long Beach. Right behind me is the Queen Mary. And this week I want to talk about why is having a credit card maxed out affects your credit score. The reason why you do not want to have a credit card maxed out is because you're overextending your credit, especially if you only have one account. But if you have multiple accounts, you do not want to have them maxed out, because if you do, your scores drop. Simple scenario. This is your balances, these are your credit scores. Balances go up, scores go down. Balances go down, scores go up. Lenders and creditors want you to use credit cards. They want you to max out the credit cards because they make a lot of money with interest. Now, the credit report does not want to see you maxed out. If you have a credit card maxed out, it equals 30% of your credit score. That's how much it's going to be impacted. The credit reporting system does not want you to use credit cards for pleasure. They are meant to be used for emergencies or every so often. If you have credit cards that are maxed out, you're going to be penalized about 30% of your credit score. Even if it's only one credit card, even if you have 6 credit cards with a low balance, if you have one credit card maxed out, that card alone is going to affect the credit score. So guys, use credit cards for the purpose of increasing your credit score. Do not use credit cards for the sake of being in debt and having a low credit score. Guys, I hope this week's tip was helpful. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. Please don't forget to like, share this button if you like this episode, and look out for more episodes coming out soon.